Hello, guys. This is Miss Ana Luisa Bermea, and we're on fifth grade. Be ready. Today we will have language class, and we will work on abbreviations. So get your notebooks. Let's see what is an abbreviation. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word. An abbreviation usually begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Use abbreviations only in special kinds of writing, such as addresses and lists. Let's read the box and let's see some common abbreviations. Titles: Mr. Mr. period. Married woman, Mistress, Mrs. Any woman, Miss, Ms. period. Doctor, Dr. Junior, Jr. period. Senior, Sr. period. Capital letters on red, periods on red. Businesses: CO, company. Corp, corporation. Ltd, limited. Inc, incorporated. Days of the week: Tuesday, Tues. With, Wednesday. Monday. Friday. Saturday. You can use a dictionary to identify how to write abbreviations, okay? Months of the year: February, Fev. August, Aug. October, Oct. December, Tec. So you can copy that from a dictionary again. Addresses: avenue, AVE period. Apartment, APT period. Route, RTE period. PO box, P period O period. Capital letters. Remember, capital letters on red, punctuation on red. For states, okay? We have two examples here. California, CA. Texas, TX. Remember, all states are abbreviated with two capital letters. Bold letters needs to be on red. We have California, CA. We have New York, NY. We have Virginia, VI. We have Arkansas, AK. Illinois, IL. You will have that and a dictionary on page 99 from your workbook plus. Now we have another kind of abbreviation. Those are called initials. Initials are special kinds of abbreviation. An initial most often stands for a person's first or middle name. Some names have two initials. We have one example here. E period B period Y. Wrote Charlotte Webb. EV equals Elwin Brooks. If you want to write Ana Luisa Bermea, you may write Ana L period Bermea. The L will stand for Luisa. Okay? Now copy this activity on your notebook. There are 22. I want you to write them in the line 22, 1 through 22. In front of each one, you will write the correct answer. Okay? What abbreviations and initials will you use below? We have doctor and hub, and the word that you have to abbreviate when you write it again correctly is DR period. Capital letter on D, period on red, capital letter on D, period on red. And hub, N, capital letter A, H, capital letter on red. Adam Lee Jr. You will write again Adam, capital letter, Lee, capital letter, Jr., J-R period. Okay, I want you to complete the 6 first. Now let's go to the next activity. It could be together because it's the same. Just pay attention. You have to write the correct 22 first and then as is on the example. 325 University Road. Look at the example. It's written again, 325 University, RD for road. Okay, capital letters on red, punctuations on red. Number 7, Mr. Barnett. The abbreviation for Mr. is MR, period, Barnett. Davis Corporation. You will write Davis, and then you will look how to abbreviate corporation, CORP, period. Okay, Ellis, Kansas, 67,637. You will write Ellis, comma, Kansas. Instead of Kansas, you will write KS for Kansas. Okay? Want you to finish the activity and send me the pictures. We will work on Workbook Plus page 98, and you will write this group of words using the correct abbreviation and initials. And you have to write everything. Let me have a pencil. Let me have the red one, okay? Audio Service Corporation. You will underline the word that you want to abbreviate, corporation, underline the word you're going to on, and then you will write audio, audio, capital letter A, service, capital letter, service, service corporation, and here you will write the abbreviation. Corporation is CORP, and period. Don't forget to write the period because it's important to include the punctuation, okay? Wednesday, September 29, 18,078. You can abbreviate Wednesday and September, and you will write capital letter W, with, okay, right there. And we need a period, and then we have September, period, and then you have to write 29, comma, 18,075. Okay. So we have Alva John Holmes Sr. You can abbreviate John with an initial and senior. And I want you to go and underline incorporated, Friday and August. Okay. Write these addresses, use the correct abbreviation and initial for the underlined words. Okay. And right here you have the underlined words. I underline for you the ones I want you to abbreviate on the top, and right there in the activity are underlined on the bottom activity. Send me the page, and let's go to the last page. It says, use the code in the chart below to solve the puzzle. First, find the abbreviation for each state in the number list, then write the letters the abbreviation stands for above the number or the state. The first one has been done for you. Okay, we have number one, okay, and we have the letter A, California, okay? So let's go to number two. Number two is the B, okay? Number two, we will write the letter B. And again, New York, New York is the letter B again, abbreviation. Okay. Okay, we need to go to number four, and number four is Florida, and we have to go here. Florida, it's FL. We have to look for Florida, FL. Okay, FL. You will write the letter R. And you have to look Indiana, and you have to look which one is Indiana, and you will complete. There is a code, and when you find out, you will be a code breaker. Okay. Y recuerden, te amo, confío en ti, me haces muy feliz, sé que eres capaz, eres muy especial, me encanta cuando sonríes, los que están en clase presencial, yo sé que tú puedes, eres lo más importante para mí. Chicos, hay que echarle ganas, estamos por terminar el ciclo escolar. Los veo pronto.